So several online elections have been held so far, and we have Emerson Mnangagwa, we have Nelson Chamisa and Xavier Kasukuwere and others. Ndokunana Monzora, Nana Masarira, Nana. So according to these results, today Pasara 1 day 6 hours for this poll to close. But right now, no, Emerson Mnangagwa 9%, Nelson Chamisa 77%, Xavier Kasukuwere 6%, others 8%. And these are 8,989 votes on Twitter. And Nelson Chamisa is taking a lead as usual. So you see that each and every time the people are reflecting who they want to vote for, are reflecting the people who they want to lead them. So Team Zimbabwe, this is clear. I always project Nelson Chamisa's victory at 73% this 2023. You watch the space and see. The people in Zimbabwe are angry, but they've decided to swallow their anger and wait for the election day and wait for the day they are going to show ZANU-PF, because they know that if they are to show their intentions right now, they will be killed, they will be maimed, they will be beaten, they will be harassed, and they will be chased out of their homes. That is the reason why they are quiet. That is the reason why they are silent. But silence does not mean stupidity. The people of Zimbabwe know what they need, know what they want, and know how they are going to deal with this situation. So 2023, the ballot is on. Our message is, let us vote for Nelson Chamisa. Let us vote for his MPs. Let us vote for his councillors. That is for us to have uniform, because there are so many laws which are bogus, which need to be rectified, which need to be corrected, which means we need numbers in parliament. We need numbers in parliament such that we manage to deal with certain laws which are prohibiting Zimbabwe from prospering. We need to deal with the issue of corruption. We need to deal with the issue of looting. We need to deal with certain issues within the laws of Zimbabwe, Zakaiswa and ZANU-PF in the past 5 years. So you need that. That is the reason why we need numbers. Also, the issues of councillors. We need people, point persons of Nelson Chamisa. These are councillors. The councillor is the eye of the president in any ward, in any area, because he is the person at kugara nevanhu. President wari State House, councillor ari ground nevanhu. He is the eye of the president. So if you vote for a wrong councillor, it means you have blinded the president in a particular area. So you have to vote for the councillor such that we know that the president wedu ane maziso ese akakwana from each and every ward. And that is going to be good. That is going to be great for the country, because we will be able to implement the policies which we believe we really need. So you will see kuti always zvinhu zvacho zvinofanira kunge zvichifamba sei, zvinhu zvacho zvinofanira kunge zvichimira sei. Let us continue to vote wisely. Let us continue to stand in solidarity with our change champion advocate Nelson Chamisa.